Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make something very easy, very fast, super speed lunch. When you are feeling to eat something really special, you can try this. So to start with the dish, we need 1 large onion, 2 small tomatoes, some coriander, 3 green chilies and ginger garlic paste. We're going to prepare the dish in the cooker. So add some oil. Once it's hot, let's add the whole garam masala. I'm going to add 3 to 4 cloves and a medium size cardamom stick. Once you get the nice fresh aroma, let's add onion and mix well and fry them until they are translucent. You can see the onions have become translucent. You don't want to fry them long. Let's add the ginger garlic paste and saute it really well. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone, let's add chilies, tomatoes, mix them well until it's nice and mushy. If it's getting stuck under the pan, please simmer the stove and continue stirring. You can see it starts leaving the bottom. At this point, let's start adding the masala. I'm going to start with some salt, 2 to 3 pinches of turmeric powder, and half a pinch of chili powder. That's it. We don't want to give the red color to the rice. We need nice bright yellow color. So let's close and cook it until the tomato is softened. I haven't added water. You can see how beautifully all the tomatoes have smashed up. Let the masala fry well. Meanwhile, I'm going to soak the rice in water. I have soaked it about for 5 minutes. So I'm going to drain the rice and add it in the mix. Fry the rice well so that all the excess water is removed. At this point, let's add some freshly cut coriander. This gives nice aroma to the dish. Now I'm going to add water. Here I have taken for 1 glass of rice, 1.5 glass of water. When you see this light boil, close the lid and we're going to have 2 whistles, 1 in high flame and 1 in low flame. And my dish is ready. Once it releases all the air, we're going to open. You can see that smells really yum. Now let's give it a mix. At this stage you can add like half a teaspoon of ghee if you really like. I haven't added it. Mix it properly because the masala would be on top and the plain rice would have gone down. So mix it well. Now it's time to serve. Please eat it really hot. It's really yummy when you have it hot. And Serve it along with any side dish that you like raita or achar. Here I'm taking a boiled egg. Please do try this recipe and let me know how you liked it, and please comment. Support by liking the video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll meet you with yet more recipes and more vlogs. Until then, take care. Bye bye.